a mess. So let's go eat street food tonight. We are doing street food tonight. Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Vibe with CY here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you how my evening went. So these are some of the food the Vietnamese eat. Some of them are looking like candies that children eat. I don't know what they are, and I didn't go for that. They had octopus, they had chicken wings, chicken feet, and some other things I don't know, honestly. So I just went for what I knew, which was the chicken wings. And even while buying that, I was skeptical about the taste because their spices here taste quite different from ours. Like they don't, I would say they don't eat pepper, so their food are not that spicy, but it is too sweet. Like I don't know how to explain it. It tastes as if they use sugar. Like when I mean sugar to cook. You know, we will always say your food is sweet based on the amount of seasoning you use, but theirs is sweet based on the amount of sugar they used. If I'm to put it that way, though, that is from my own point of taste though. So after picking what you want, they will tell you how much it costs. Then depending on the food you pick would depend on the method that will be used to prepare it for you. So it's more like a point and kill that we normally do way back home. So I opted for roasting the chicken than frying. I think roasting is more healthier. Let's do this. So while they roast, I had to sit down and wait. This is chicken, right? Chicken. Guys, 4 is how much? 28, right? Yes. Okay, you do that so. Thank you. Hello. For this one, I think this is a sea animal, and I think it's oysters, if I'm not mistaken. Oysters. I don't know, I'm not sure, and there's no way I could know the English name because these people don't speak English. So I was guessing it's oysters. And the way they eat it here is very funny. They eat it directly from the shell. Like if you pick it, they cook it together with the shell, like put it on top the heated charcoal and prepare it with the shell. Then this other thing, it looks like this thing they call sushi, right? Sushi, but I don't know if it is, and I have never tasted that before. So let's go buy drinks here. Hello. Lala, where do I sit? Okay. Let me search for here. So immediately this girl saw me walking in to the coffee shop. She took her bag and left. Tell me why these people are always, I don't know, some of them are friendly, some of them, I don't know if they are scared or they are trying to, I don't know. I don't want to use that word, but it is what it is. So I had the whole place to myself, VIP. So I had the whole place. I was the only one here and I was loving it. The chairs, the artificial flowers, the table and all that. So love these chairs. Steven, can you put this on? Yeah, hot. Okay. So my drink is here. Yeah. So this is what I'm having. I got this chicken wings, about 4 pieces, and I got it for 28,000 dong. Then I got the drink for 25,000 dong. So this is dinner. So join me. Yeah. Why is this thing hard? I don't understand what's inside this thing. No. That looks like pieces of comfort. I'll be ice block, but it's not ice block. Let's taste. I don't like these things. It has this sweet sour taste. I don't like it. Well, what can I say? Let's try the chicken. Taste is okay. Oh, look at this beautiful plant shop. Very beautiful. So I'm off to buy some medications. Hi. I'm off to buy some medications. I have a friend. I like going to her shop to buy. Cheers, xin chào. I like going to her shop to buy because she is trying to learn English. So when I go there, I often help her a little, teach her 1 or 2 words before I leave. So she's always eager and happy to see me. So let's go together to her shop. These people on bike, eh? 5 and 6. See me, oh, madam. So here I am. Here I am. Hello. Hello. Oh, you. Baby.
Baby.
Oh, em bé.
Em bé ơi, Suzy giỏi thế.
Ah.
Hello.
Em gái, em trai. Em gái. Gái.
Thử đoán xem.
Oh.
Gái, ót gái.
Gái.
Trai.
Trai. Oh, trai. Boy. Baby boy.
Baby boy.
Baby boy.
Baby boy.
Baby boy.
Baby boy.
Okay, Panadol.
Yes.
Come cafe. Come cafe.
Không cà phê.
Yeah.
À, không cà phê
Okay.
nha. No coffee. No coffee.
Mấy tiền?
12.
12. Oh, 12.
Ding.
Okay.
Ping.
Okay.
Okay. Theo.
12, right?
Yes.
This is 12. Okay.
Đúng rồi.
Hey, don't cry.
Don't cry.
Oh. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Hello.
So, I got my drug, my medication. I bought, and I'm leaving. Actually, the lady I met today is not my friend, sort of. She's not the one. This is another person with a baby. I think she's not on shift today because they also run shift here, I guess. So I didn't see her today. I met another person. So one more stop at the shop to buy one thing, then I call it a night. Why am I seeing babies today? Hello. Why am I seeing babies? Joy. Oh my god. Excuse me, Sinloy. This shop is always scattered. Let me not say tattered. It's always scattered. But one funny thing is that whatever you need, you will see it here. But the shop is always looking like it's not arranged at all. So sometimes you may not see what you want on the shelf, unless you get to call their attention. Then they can help you get it from wherever it is. So let me see if I can help myself to get what I want. If I don't see it, then I think I'll call their attention. And honestly, I can't see it. These ones here, I've never tried them before. I guess I would go. Look at what their saving box, their piggy bank looks like. Piggy bank. This is a hole where you put the money. It looks so funny. And heavy as well. They are heavy. I don't think they have what I want to. I don't think they have what I want.
O lắm đứng thì ghê về.
Come on nha.
Thế cảm ơn kia. Ok á? Ok không con? Ok.
Oh my god.
Lấy kéo, con lấy kéo đi.
Cái này mấy tiền?
10 tiền.
10.
10 17. Cầm 18. À 17. 44.
Con lấy gì đâu bé? Em.
So I'm done buying what I want to buy. Seabird Road though, under construction. What? Hey you. Hey you. Oh, you don't know speak English? Why? Tại sao? Oh, no study English. Oh, Google. Oh, okay. Wow, I'm back to my crib. I'm back to my hood though. Everywhere is so quiet tonight. I guess because of the little rain. It drizzled a little. These people, once they see you, the ones that are trying, that know some few words in English, they would want to try their best to communicate with you, no matter how little. This what is it called? Adulthood. Can you guys see my face? I'm already dark, plus the dark environment. Oh my god. What am I saying? This adulthood, it's not helping matters though. You will go out just to sightsee and you end up buying things you never budgeted, although you may need them, because someone like me, I'm not someone that does impulse buying. That's one thing you can never catch me doing. I don't buy things because I saw them, or maybe because they are on sales, so let me buy it when I don't need it at that moment. I don't do that. So whatever I buy is something I need. But honestly, it makes you spend. Can't we just go out and come back without spending? This is my hood. This is what the crib, the environment is looking like. Alright guys, I guess this will be the end of my vlog. Let me stay here and end this vlog. So guys, thank you so much for watching this far. See the way I'm sweating. Anyway, it's good. We are burning the calories, right? So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Please, help me grow my channel. Subscribe, like is very important as well. Like the video, then comment. Just say something to me, even if it's high, I will respond. It goes a long way to help my channel grow. Please watch my videos. Try to watch to the end, I beg you. So till when next I come your way, goodbye.